Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my PM recap for gold. And I'm starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So I wanted to start off on the 4-hour time frame tonight because this is definitely looking more like a 1, 2, 3 to me. If this really is the end of a wave three, which it could be, the only thing we really know right now is that this wave from here to here is over. So it could just be a crutch into this last wave up, and it could just keep on going up like that. But if it really is a 1, 2, 3, it should maintain momentum, maybe even do something like this, making the beginning of this wave four like the A of four, and then potentially it would do something like this over here. The first wave down would be impulsive, and then it would make a very overlapping corrective wave B, probably another push down for wave C, and then probably up again for the wave five. So definitely, depending on what kind of trader you are, you could definitely be looking for sorts on the sort of time frames. Be careful of these Fibonacci levels. These are definitely support. They definitely could cause bounces, which really a bounce is good news if this really is going down, because a bounce could be an opportunity to go short. The only thing we really know right now, though, is that this wave is over. There is a possibility that this right here is just a pullback to the last wave up. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.